Unidentified man shot by cop in early morning raid in St. Elizabeth. Woman allegedly killed ex-boyfriend after making police report. Three families struggling with heartache after deadly road crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. One man was fatally shot and a firearm seized during an early morning raid in St. Elizabeth this morning, November 15. Reports are that between 5 a.m. and 5:45 a.m., a team comprising members from the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch and the St. Elizabeth Division conducted an operation in the burnt Savannah community of Lacovia, targeting criminal suspects from Kingston who were believed to have been hiding out in the parish. More details to come following further investigations. The St. Elizabeth police are probing an incident in which a man was stabbed to death by his ex-girlfriend on Tuesday morning. The news media understands that the woman was in the parish capital, Black River, when she was confronted by the man. It is also understood that she went to the police station to make a report and was followed by the man. After making the report, she reportedly left the police station to get a taxi. It is understood that she was met at the transport park by her new boyfriend, who boarded a taxi with her. The ex-boyfriend reportedly attacked the woman as she sat in the front of the passenger seat in the vehicle. The woman is alleged to have used a sharp object to stab the man. He was rushed to the Black River Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Three families are now struggling to cope under the weight of heartbreaking grief as they recall the moments after they learned that their loved ones were among 5 people killed in Monday evening's motor vehicle crash in Westmoreland. Judith Wilson lost her daughter, 39-year-old Petrina Wallace, and her 15-year-old granddaughter, Lavicia Foster, who lived in Garden District, White House.